How to use Dick's Sporting Goods promo code. For this, first and foremost, you will actually need a promo code. If you do not have one, let me help you. So open up a Google tab or any browser that you prefer and search for Dick's Sporting Goods promo code. Then you will find various of websites dealing with the promo code and deals that you can go ahead and select and redeem by yourself. Now for the sake of the video, I'll be selecting one as an example. Right here, you will find various of coupons that you can easily get access to. To never miss out from any of the offer, you can even enter email address and tap on Get Alerts. Now just scroll down and tap on the one that you prefer. You will be redirected to the Dick's official webpage, where first step is to actually sign in or sign up to your account. Once you are logged in to your account, next step is to purchase an item from the webpage. So you can easily go ahead and check out any of the items that they have on offer or any items without an offer. Either way, while checking out, you will see the option of promo code or a coupon code. You just have to go ahead and enter the copied promo code in the dialog box. Now, once you enter the promo code, you will see some of the discount in your total cost. And just like that, you'll be able to use the Dick's Sporting Good promo code. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.